This is Old Gamer 107, and today we're way down south in the Commonwealth, and we are at Murkwater settlement, and it's also the safe house, the new rebuilt safe house for the railroad. They needed a safe place for the synths to travel through, and so I've completely rebuilt this for their benefit and with a maximum security in mind. Here we've got a view from the top down looking at it. Just thought you might like a kind of an external view to see the settlement in kind of a from the top. We're going to get out of this mode using our console command. And now we're back in our normal view. And you see we're way down here in the swamp. And don't even have a weapon equipped. We'll let the settlers take care of it while we take a tour of the area. They're all reacting pretty well. So we enter the settlement, and of course this is an extremely swampy area. So this was built really to be mostly above ground, but obviously there are elements below ground. We've got some hub flowers here growing. This is an iBot pod, and you can use it to find resources throughout the Commonwealth. Nice water tank. Always trash to be disposed of. You see turrets are scattered around underneath here to help protect this. This is a secure area. Here they can build robots or maybe repair the synths. We'll come in here and provide railroad guard for all these folks that have kind of come in and helped to keep the settlement clear. But we haven't done that yet. I've got several of these big tanks to help safeguard the area. There's another one over here. Well, let's head up since most of this area is up. And there are some factories nearby. You can see where we are way down here on the map. And this Toys factory, police station, they've got several things. Even Vault 88, they could scavenge these warehouse elements to put in their settlement. This is sort of the command center, and you can see they built a pretty elaborate tracking area to help keep up with the synths and make sure the Brotherhood of Steel and what's left of the Institute. Looks like they have beds down here for the people manning the stations. Got some things they can use to help repair synths. There are guard stations scattered all about around the perimeter of the settlement. Here we sort of come into the processing center. Let's go around and enter from the other angle. So the sense would kind of be brought up here. You can see there they'd have a seat while they takes time to process them, do their paperwork. Using old airplane seats. Here they can get their photographs taken for new IDs. They could choose new outfits. They have an armor crafting station, so different things can be made. So the synths can be equipped. There's some outfits here. Looks like doctors can check them out as well as the railroad personnel who are here. Got some parts laying about. Lots of different materials if any repairs are needed. You can check their eyes. Got some lab bays here from the Institute. So they really have equipped this well. Got some gun racks back here. I don't have a lot there, but plenty of places for the synths to sleep, as well as the personnel. A nice kitchen, clean, neat. Food synthesizer. Can be used to craft any type of food that the synths, well, I guess maybe synths don't eat, but the settlers certainly do. Or maybe synths do eat. I wonder if anyone knows the answer to that question. You wouldn't think they would need to. Notice the nice institute type setting. That way the synths feel right at home. Let's head out here. Lots of different entrances and exits. There is another level. Got guards stationed up. Look, a lot of guards around. Great view of the swamp there. Big windmill generators. Botanist station. They've got some heated up there greenhouse area. Even have some roses over here. Little bonsai trees. A little shed out here for all kinds of supplies for the greenhouse. Another water tank. Gosh, they even have a crane up here. That couldn't have been easy to get up there. Big cannon. Boy, they're pretty well equipped. Some more living space, beds. Wow, they've done a nice job preparing this to be a safe house. You can see a good view of the Commonwealth. So you've got good field of vision view to watch for anybody approaching. Well, here we go. We're here at the Mercer Safe House, also known as the Merck Water Construction Site, and it's been rebuilt for the railroad. This is Old Gamer 107. I appreciate your watching. Please subscribe and watch for other videos. I've got a couple that'll be posted shortly, and we'll be continuing to work on other settlements. Thank you for watching.